Okay, I just wanted to record the rejection of the BPOC here. I'm just going to fast forward this a little. Now, this is actually a long two. I can see it actually holds right here and then starts to push, so you can get in on that. Now you can see as it comes, it's starting to fade down here, and then it comes back up and retests. And then you see the liquidity come right here in the books, and then basically from there it just rejects down. You just short it right into VWAP. Liquidity, you see it pulling out of the way, and just at that point you know it's going straight through. From here, between here and here, you'd be looking to see what happens if it reclaims VWAP and goes up. Then you basically can get out, or you can just hold. And here you can see it's just struggling to get back up. Another rejection, and then just fails down. Comes back up, test this level here. Ends up rejecting down. And basically here it just consolidates, sideways underneath the prior VPOC. You do see some liquidity coming in, but doesn't really push up that high. Again, it just continues to reject this zone here. Right here, boom, goes right through it. Previous day highs down here. This comes up at some point and actually rejects initial balance low. it's later though. It actually rejects this area here.
Bid imbalance 98% at ESH for CME at Rhythmic.
See, it's going
Bid
to
imbalance 84% at ESH for
target this
CME at
liquidity
Rhythmic.
here. Okay, I just went through the prior high. I think it actually comes back up here and then retests the initial balance low and then rejects. Okay, so it comes into the liquidity here. Yeah, it just trends right up here. I think it's a clean trend line break as well. See some liquidity up here, not a lot. And there we go. And it's gonna
Bid
break.
imbalance
Yeah.
100%
Just
at
kind of
ESH
goes.
for CME at Rhythmic.
You can probably get it right here on the retest of this area here, and then take it down, targeting the bottom. So you'd have a stop
Bid
up here.
imbalance 69% at ESH for CME at Rhythmic.
And then in the last couple of minutes, it actually rejects the previous day high as it rips up, and then it just comes straight back down. Let's see here. Pushes, here we go. There's the previous day highs right about here. Boom, yep, just rejects straight down, and then it just goes straight to the liquidity again. Nice.